Here, give it to Mom. Go ahead, put it in.
No.
Go ahead, put it in.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
All right, here it goes.
You can see it on the right.
Yeah, you can see it over here on the right. Like the thing goes up to wherever the car is.
I can't see it.
Oh, there it is. It was that one that I saw from down there. Yeah, so.
It's kind of low.
Uh-huh. Look at now it's gonna come down over here. Look at that. What?
That got sliding over here. That noise is so fake. That is not the noise coming from out of there.
I know. It's all. Look at that. They do. They make little sounds, don't they? Yeah. They're like. Like, and I think if I remember seeing it right, like they'll bring it over here and like turn it around, or maybe that was just in the tower when it was coming down. Oh no, it's gonna come out and like roll into the bay over here. Oh look, here it goes. Look at that, Drew. Hey Drew, can you not? Drew's over here like destroying the coin slot.
It's taped on. It's taped on. Look, it's taped on.
The sounds. I like the sounds. Woo woo. I know. That's pretty dang cool though. What do you think, Shell? It's pretty good, huh?